people come also. Okay. 1, 2,
Study of public procurement practices in the sectors of health, education, agriculture, and works and transport covered 3 years, from financial year 2016 to 2018-19, and we found on the issue of transparency or disclosure that only 7% of the data was being published. We also found that across board there was limited levels of competition. That is the number of firms that respond to bids or tenders. We found also that the tendering process for most of the agencies was quite inefficient. That instead of, for example, procurement taking an average of 110 days, going for as many as 336. And we also found that government was losing a lot of money through what we call inflated costs or prices, here determined by looking at the market price compared to actual contract price. And through this, over 370 billion shillings is what we found to be the difference between market surveyed price and actual contract price across the 4 sectors which we studied.
So we are aware, and of course it concerns us. There's been an issue for a while on the variance between what we call the market price and the contract price. And maybe I need to explain what the market price in this case means. Per the report, that's the price at initiation or the estimate that they have in the budget. So the accurate statement would be the variance between the budgeted price and the contract price. Now, we've carried out our own studies to understand why there's such a variance, and this is being addressed by the different agencies, including PPDA. One of the challenges has been the planning phase of a procurement. So procurement has 3 parts. First, there's the planning stage, then there's the actual procurement, what most of us refer to as procurement, from initiation of the bid to the contract award. Then the 3rd phase is the contract implementation. The procurement phase and the contract implementation are definitely affected heavily by what happens in the planning phase.
There are many firms in the market, and all of them are interested to take opportunities that come up, and therefore there would be competition, and every firm wants to beat the other, either on price, on quality, on innovation, and therefore when you have bids or contract price which is exactly the same as estimated price, which was estimated probably 12 months ago, then there are questions. Now, looking at the whole data, where you find that competition is very low, and you also have low levels of disclosure, and then you have also contract price matching estimated price, then there would be reason to think of many possibilities. Now, this is not to say that it may not happen. It could happen, but in the absence of serious competition, where you have 20, 15, 10 firms responding, then I think it is an issue that needs discussion. Also, from the data that we have seen in the agencies, you find that this is not, it doesn't occur once. Companies know that, are not assured that it is only the quality of our bids that is going to influence the decision, then it will be difficult to, for government to achieve its objectives.
There are methods which are called fixed budget. So at times you even tell the providers what's available so that they don't waste their time. So in such scenarios, then it would be completely appropriate that they've quoted exactly what is in the budget.